Official statistics showed on Wednesday, amid rising prices for motor fuels and food, Britain's consumer prices index rose by 9.4% in the 12 months to June, hitting a fresh 40-year high. According to the Office for National Statistics, on a monthly basis, the country's CPI rose by 0.8% in June 2022, compared with a rise of 0.5% in June 2021.
Are you seeing the prices going really quickly?
Yes.
Which part of the cost?
Electricity is the main one for most people. So electricity, food.
And do you think you can manage it?
We can, but a lot of people can't.
So do you think that the prices will keep going up?
Yeah, I do, for the time being, sadly, because of inflation. So, nothing we can do about it.
Which part of the cost is rising the most?
Everything. You're rising food, petrol, houses, everything is so expensive. People at the moment, they can't afford anything. The inflation is really bad. It's awful. It's not jobs. It's nothing. Everything is rising. And what at the moment here? People, they work for what? To eat and pay the bills, nothing.
The Bank of England, the country's central bank, expected inflation to rise above 11% in October alongside a widely anticipated huge increase in the energy price cap. To tackle inflation, the Bank of England has raised its benchmark interest rate to 1.25%, the highest level since 2009.